Lewis Webb, goalkeeper, Swansea City.
Sam Pearson, forward, Bristol City.
Niall Huggins, right back, Leeds United.
Lewis Collins, winger, and Newport County.
Finley Stevens, I play right back and I'm from Brentford.
Rubin Colwill, Cardiff City, midfielder, /winger, /striker.
Fast, positive and lively.
Fast, technical and hard-working.
Fast, attacking, skillful.
Skillful, powerful, attacking.
Loud, physical, passionate.
Hard working, I'd say, aggressive and a leader.
Qualifying for the elite rounds of the under-19s and keeping 2 clean sheets.
Probably my 21s debut for Wales against Albania away in a friendly in 2019.
First goal for Wales under 19s level against San Marino up in Bangor. It was freezing cold that night and we qualified for the elites, so brilliant.
My best memory was scoring my first international goal against Poland for the under-19s.
Adams into the box, Adams out past his man, and he's in! He's the second of the match, he's onside, and it's Sam Pearson, and a great counter-attacking goal by Wales.
Has to be the games, all the boys together trying to get the win.
Playing for your country and meeting new people.
Just being around the lads, training every day, new environment, obviously it's very, very professional.
It's good to be meeting up with boys that I've spent the past few years with, and obviously it's good to play for your country.
Just all of the training for me, it's quite different to what we do back at Leeds, so it's good to have a different variety of training to what I'm used to.
The boys, I love seeing all the boys. It's such a tight-knit group and no matter who comes in, they're always lads and it's nice to have new faces around as well.